Hey, love, and welcome to DaSpiritual Bombs, your space for boutique spiritual tools, energy alignment, and high vibe healing. If you're ready to cleanse your space, attract with intention, and walk in your power, we've got just what you need. This channel is where I share the products I create, the services I offer, and the truth I stand on. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And pass this energy along to someone who needs it because alignment is sacred and it starts right here. Let's be honest, negativity is real and it's not always dramatic. Sometimes it's subtle. You go into a space feeling fine and you leave feeling off, heavy, agitated, or emotionally exhausted. That's not coincidence. That's energetic contamination. And if you're spiritually sensitive, a healer, or someone who holds space for others, it can build up fast. This is why spiritual cleansing isn't a trend. It's protection, it's hygiene, it's maintenance. Energetic contamination happens when your aura picks up frequencies, emotions, or spiritual residue from other people or environments. This might include unspoken tension in a room, jealousy or envy directed at you, emotional dumping from friends, family, or clients, spiritual debris left behind in public spaces, arguments, grief, sickness, or trauma energy. You start to feel symptoms: mental fog, fatigue, emotional imbalance, headaches, restlessness, irritability, and nothing physical explains it. That's when it's time to cleanse. Spiritual cleansing is the process of releasing, clearing, and resetting your energetic field. It helps you remove foreign energy, realign with your highest self, strengthen your spiritual immunity. It's not just about feeling better, it's about returning to spiritual neutrality so you can hear God, your intuition, and your own energy again. Start with smoke. Burn rosemary, frankincense, or cedar. These purify and elevate. Sweep the smoke in circular motions around your body, especially your head, chest, and hands. Then use sound: bells, chimes, claps, or singing bowls. Sound breaks stagnant frequencies instantly. Create a bath or foot soak using sea salt, herbs like rue or hyssop, and a few drops of oil. As you soak, speak a command: I release what is not mine. I return to my center. If you can't soak, you can pour the blend over your head and shoulders in the shower. After cleansing, you must seal your field, light a white or gold candle, sit in silence with a cup of calming tea, journal, breathe, let your spirit resettle. You can also anoint your head, wrists, and feet with oil to create spiritual closure. Spiritual cleansing is your sacred reset. Don't wait until you feel broken. Make it part of your weekly care, especially if you do energy work, emotional support, or live in environments that drain you. If you need help building your ritual routine, I offer one on one support, cleansing kits, and spiritual counseling at DaSpiritual Bombs. Protect your peace, reclaim your power, and never forget you are the altar.